welcome back. It's your favorite baby girl in the building. Which one do you want? Hello there, welcome back to my kitchen. Or hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back. Today we are making asaro. We are making asaro or yam porridge or pottage. Don't come after me. Okay, umunnem no monnam. Asimono no unabiala na ihe erimeri nke ụbọchị taa anyị na-eshi ji agwọrọ agwọ ka anyị ga-eshi na kitchen. Yes, because now m onye Igbo. Ka m kelee ndị Igbo ụmụnne m na watch m na mba niile. Ọkwa nwaada Chinwe na-ewetara na ihe erimeri ụbọchị nke taa ji agwọrọ agwọ. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. But if it's your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Welcome to my beautiful family. Join my beautiful family by subscribing. That is the first thing. Subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified each time we upload new video. So my returning subscribers, top kiss. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and support. Okay, I don't take it for granted. Okay guys, that is how I am feeling today. Just accept me the way I am, okay? So let me show you all the ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. This asaro yam porridge. Jiagwarago. Okay? Okay, over here are my ingredients. Here is my yam. I've gone ahead to peel, washed it. This is the way I cut it. So, and I pour water so that it doesn't change the color. I have palm oil, vegetable oil, tomato paste, some salt and seasoning cube, chopped onion. I have crayfish, mackerel and stock. I have beef stock here. I will be making pepper sauce. I'm going to be using this fish to make pepper sauce. So over here I have gone ahead to blend my peppers. First, I'm going to add the vegetable oil first. Add the palm oil. I'm going to allow it to heat and then I will now add my onion, chopped onion or diced onion. So I'm going to add the onion now. I'm going to add in the tomato paste first. I'm going to stir and allow it to fry. Yeah. Now I'm going to add my crayfish, blended crayfish. I'm going to add the pepper sauce. I'm going to share it into two. I'm going to mix everything. Mix. At this point I'll add seasoning cube like this, some salt. I'm going to add in my broth. This is beef broth. Then add more water. Stir. I'm going to drop in the yam. After adding the yam, I'm going to give it a quick mix like this. Then cover it to cook. Okay guys, let's check our yam. Look at that. The yam is ready. The yam is soft now. I'm going to use my potato mash to mash some like this. Just, if you don't like it this way, you can leave it. So I'm going to mash some, and that's it. Look at that. This is assurance yam porridge. Assurance. Assurance yam porridge. So our yam is ready. It's ready. I've gone ahead to make the pepper sauce with the fresh fish. Look at that. It's looking good, right? So everything na yummy, yummy. Everything na yummy, yummy. Everything na yummy, yummy. Na yummy, yummy. This is good. So good. So we are done cooking. We are done. Everything now yummy, yummy. Okay, this goes here. And this here. So. Everything now yummy, yummy. Keleweya. Assurance. Keleweya. Assurance. Okay guys, I'm going to serve the yam right now. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for sticking around with me today. Is your favorite baby girl in the building. Thank you all, and always be positive. Love from my heart. Bye.